Let's learn to spell yam. A yam. A am yam. Let's learn to spell R. A R E. Good job. A R E. R. At. A T. A T. At. Let's make a sentence. I am in London. I am, well done, in London. Good job. I am in London. Yeah. He is kind. He is, well done, kind. He is kind. Good job. Pop the correct bubble. I can swim. Can. Good job. I can swim. He can come. Come. Well done. He can come. Write it down. Down. Good job. Write it down. We will find it. Find. Well done. We will find it. Good job. Tap the correct word. Where. Where. Good job. Where. Tap the correct word. Hello. Hello. Tap the correct word. You. 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 Tap the correct word. All. 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 Pick a sticker.